Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this one, bit of a strange one. I noticed that I had some serious scratches in my rear, which has probably been caused by the cycle rack and shutting the right hand door, and the rack touches the window every time you shut the door, no matter how careful you do it. So I thought I'll have a go at trying to remove them. You know, I've done mopping and stuff like that in the past. It's plastic, so poly, whatever you want to call it. So I thought I'll have a little go with some Autosol and some rubbing compound and a mop and see how we do. Let's take a look at the window in question and give it a go. So the window's not particularly clean at the moment, but you can see here I've got abrasions there, almost in a perfect line, and some scratches here as well. Probably caused by this when the rack lifts up. It was originally on the next setting up, so these would have married up nicely with that. So they're old scratches since I've moved the rack. So let's have a go with the mop and see how we get on. Right, let's give it a little clean first. Just with a drop of water. Yeah, like I say, it was quite dirty. If you feel like a room without a roof. Okay, we're going to kick off with one's mop and some Autosol to begin with. Now the thing with the mop is they have a habit of throwing everything everywhere, so I'm going to try and keep this as clean as possible. I'm going to put a couple of little blobs of Autosol on the end of my mop and spray it with a little drop of water, because you don't want to be mopping dry. Keep everything nice and wet. Here we go. Just like I said, water everywhere. I'm just going to spray on a little bit of, I suppose it's ceramic, if you like. It's really hard to see on camera. You can just make out an indent there. What it's done, the polishing has softened the scratches. Most of them have indeed gone. That one there is quite deep and needs a little bit more work, but it will go, and there's a couple there and there. But for, in effect, 5 minutes work with the mop, you could do it with your hands if you wanted to. There you can just make out those little imperfections still. They're softened, they're not rough anymore, but to look at, they've gone. So I will give that a little bit more work, but auto sole, not bad.